Today we're going to be installing the Elixir film screen protector on our iPhone 15 Pro. Now this screen protector is going to be perfect if you want to prevent scratches and other things happening to your screen during everyday use. It will also allow you to get more for your phone when you come to sell it at the end of its life. So in the box you'll get 2 film screen protectors, 2 cleaning wipes, a microfiber cloth, a couple of dust stickers, and finally an application card. Now before we start the installation, remember to turn off your device. Now the first step is going to be cleaning the device's screen. So grab your wet wipe and clean the screen free of any fingerprints or grease. Next up, grab your included microfiber cloth and then dry the screen. You'll want to make sure there's no moisture left over. Next up, grab your dust stickers. Peel them off and then dab it on the display, removing any dust that may be there. Take your time here, as any dust that's underneath the screen protector will cause a bubble. Now grab your film screen protector and your application card. Then turn your iPhone 180 degrees, so the charging port is facing away from you. Then peel the tab off a quarter down the protector. Now line this up with your camera, making sure that it's central to the screen as well. Then apply a little bit of pressure and grab your application card. Now push your application card down the phone while pulling the rest of the back off the protector. Make sure you don't touch the screen during this installation. Now finally pull off the protective layer from the screen protector. And there you go, a perfect film screen protector installation for your iPhone 15 Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Plus, if you'd like to buy the screen protector, the links are down in the description too.